What's up, y'all? Your girl is finally back for another video. In today's video, I am going to be reviewing and demoing the Aphrogee two-step reconstructor. If you guys did not know, I am in cosmetology school, so if you didn't notice, your girl is trying to get more informative on her channel, showing you guys more of me working on other people, hair and makeup. But don't worry, the videos of myself are coming back. I will be coloring my hair very soon, so either you saw that already or it's coming up, but just stay on the lookout. Hello to all my new subscribers. It's so good to finally have made it to 2,000 subscribers. I see all of y'all. I just want to say hello formally. Leave a comment down below if you're new. Leave me some suggestions. I do reply to every comment. This model, her name is Kyra. Her Instagram is always linked in the videos I do with her, so it's going to be in the description box today. Kyra has a unique hair journey. Her natural color level is about a 5 or a 6 level brown, and then she started box dyeing her hair with black hair dye, which is so hard to get out. It's so resistant. I do not recommend any of you put box dye on your hair, but she was doing this for so long, and then she decided she wanted to go blonde. I did not do this process on her. She went to a licensed professional and she became blonde pretty quickly. And you know, blonde and bleach, it can be pretty damaging, especially when you already have box dye on your hair. So that's a little bit of her hair history. You know, we were just doing a protein treatment. We didn't know how it was going to work. I am a humongous fan of the Aphrogee two-step reconstructor. Me and my mother, who is a licensed cosmetologist, have been using that product for years on our ethnic hair because A, everyone needs protein, and 2, especially being relaxed, you need to rebuild those bonds at least once a month. So whether you're doing an egg protein treatment or a mayonnaise protein treatment, you need some type of protein. But this Aphrogee two-step reconstructor is a heavy duty protein and it works. So we applied it to her hair. It does smell really bad, I'm not even gonna lie to you. It stinks, but it worked phenomenally. Before, her hair was really dry, you know, it wasn't straightening well, it wasn't soft at all, it was kind of brittle. But after doing this protein treatment, it immediately felt so much better. I definitely recommend this to everybody with color treated hair, relaxed hair, bleached hair for sure. Anybody's hair who has experienced damage because of any chemicals, this is the perfect protein for you. I absolutely love this product, and honey, I'm not even sponsored by them. I am just a advocate for protein treatments and deep conditioners that really work and that really pack in the nutrients and the moisture that your hair needs, and this product did just that. It was such a drastic difference. At the end, we were so shook and surprised, but we were so happy at how well this product performed. And it's really cheap, and all you need is one pack, and it worked so well. You use heat. You don't sit underneath the dryer with a plastic bag because you want the hair to get really hard. That is a part of the reconstructing treatment, for it to get hard and brittle and sticky. But if you just condition it right, you know, get that smell out and everything, this product worked wonders. We were just in awe and amazed. So I give this product a 10 out of 10, 5 stars across the board, all of that. Definitely you guys need to be using this. I can do a whole product series, you know, trying it out on different hair types. If you have any other products you guys want me to review and demo, let me know, because I can definitely start getting back into those reviews, especially now that I'm about to become a licensed cosmetologist myself. I would love to be that informative person for you guys, especially being relaxed. There's not a lot of relaxed YouTubers who are also hairdressers and who know their stuff and who's young and understands things a little bit differently, and young but still likes traditional old school hairdressing. So I'm kind of a very good mixture. So if you like things like that, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure that you're sharing this video with someone who needs this treatment. So let me just stop talking so you can watch this product demo. I hope you all enjoyed it. I'll see you guys in my next video. This is how it feels.
Don't talk like that.
It feels
Like it
so
feels so
good.
back.
Yes.
Oh my god.
Super shook back. Like no color.